Kingdom Mysteries International invites you for a 3 days of unstoppable praise and worship space and atmosphere, coupled with a powerful word administration dubbed Seattlle Conference Beyond Music Power of Praise. This life-changing event will take off from March 14th to 16th at KCIC 26820 Pacific Highway, South Kent, Washington 98032, starting from 6 p.m. on Friday and Saturday and 4 p.m. on Sunday. Our main guest minister will be Her Excellency Dr. Pastor Dorcas Rigathi, hosted by Reverend Ruth Gigi with powerful worship from Minister Kambua and Pastor David King. You are welcome on Saturday, March 15th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. for a community impartation assembly spearheaded by Reverend Jeffrey Wanyoike, the chairman of Seattlle Pastors Fellowship, and Pastor Francis Minor, bringing together pastors, business leaders, and kingdom servants for a time of wisdom, empowerment, and spiritual impartation, open to all the community members. Therefore, come expectant, come ready, come prepared for an outpouring like never before, because this is more than an event. It's a divine appointment, and you don't want to miss it. This event will be streamed live by Pacific Waves Television. For more information, call +1 205 862 4873 or +1 206 231 1505. See you there.